All right, here we go. Quick tour of the 2020-21 UR Square. So here's the back side of the robot. Let me spin around. Try to give you a video tour of it. All right, so component-wise, the only thing we really got left to do on the robot other than wiring the thing up is we've tore the enclosure apart just simply so we could rebuild it, but because the seals and stuff were needing to be resealed. So this component, part of what we need to do is be able to retrieve debris, plastic debris off the surface. So we students came up with a vac system inside there. There's a vac housing. Currently right now that vac housing is set up for a APU units. I mean, we wanted to be able to get the robot to go left and right without using 6 thrusters and some kind of vector control. So what we did was the students came up with we had that thruster right there, and so that was going to be used for the vac. This whole vac front slips onto the front and snaps on. We developed a system of trying to control the flow and redirecting that flow out of that through the back here. And then here you can see our micro ROV, which launches out of the back and is retrieved. You see the spool up front. And so what you see there then is you can see there's a valve system that we're still trying to work. We just need to get it set up for controlling it, but we're going to control that just through a DC motor, just to turn and open those up. So as you see, the prototype is being done with kind of a Lego mesh, and so what they'll do is one valve turns on, the other one turns off, and so that you can propel water out one side or the other. So we just got to get the holes in the side and put it together. The one issue we've still got is figuring out, part of the mission requires us to put this robot into autopilot and let it fly a straight transit line. And so using Q ground control is where we need a little bit of help getting that done.